Welcome back to Helpler Garage. We're going to be working on my Audi A4 and we're going to be doing a high flow cat and downpipe from ECS tuning. We're going to show you how to install it and then a sound clip at the end. So I've put PV Blaster on the 4 bolts down here on the cat to help them come out a little easier. Then we're going to see how easy they come out or if the studs come out. Right above the axle, you got the second O2 sensor, and you got 3 nuts down here on the downpipe. So we're going to take those off. Probably going to put some PV Blaster on those. We have 1 spring mount here at the flex joint, and then we're going to go further back and take off those clamps down there, and we'll be ready for the new one. Well, so far I was unable to get the rear O2 sensor off or the downpipe. It connects with 3 bolts to the catalytic converter and they're pretty much rusted, they're seized. So what I did is I just fully unbolted it from the turbo and then pulled it back. Then right now I'm going to unconnect the whole O2 sensor, and then hopefully be able to pull it out of the bottom of the car. I was able to twist it and then pull it up through the top. Here's the one that I got from ECS Tuning. It's full 3-inch, and then it comes down to a reducer to fit to the factory, 2 1/4 inch. You can see that. The mesh in there, and there's the new mesh. It's a 200 cell. ECS Tuning states that their high flow cat will throw an engine code. So what I did here was I took I got 2 spark plug defowlers from AutoZone, wherever, you can get them off Amazon too, and I drilled this one out to 5/8 so that it would fit the O2 sensor. It looks like I need to go a little bit more. To get the downpipe on, you just install these 3. You got 3 bolts here, one on the back side. You got the spring mount, and then if you're going to the stock exhaust, then there's a reducer with 2 clamps. They need to be tightened down pretty tight. You can see there's some exhaust leaking there, and then this brace was hitting. I took it off and just bent it a little bit by hand and put it back on, and I haven't had any trouble since.